Hey, it's Ken from Doric here, and today we're going to have a look at changing over your security door cylinder. First thing we'll do, we'll open the door. Easy to work on it when the door is open. We'll secure that by sliding the door closed to stop across. So the door now is in a fixed position, allowing us to operate on the actual cylinder itself. You require one tool. It's a Phillips head screwdriver. First thing we have to do is make sure that we put the lock into deadlock. To do that, the tongue must be out, so we press the trigger above the tongue for the tongue to fire out. Then we turn the key and we deadlock it. Once it's in the deadlock position, we can remove the screw. With a Phillips head, we simply just remove the retaining screw for the cylinder. Once that screw is removed, that will slide out. Now we're in a position to put our new cylinder in. This part here is important if you buy a new cylinder. It's important that we buy the correct cylinder. Today we have chosen a cylinder from Doric, which is a DS196 NSK. That is a teardrop style of cylinder or a Euro cylinder. The cylinder that has to be used in this situation has what we call a floating cam. This cam is in the center, and this cam here with your fingers rotates through 180 degrees. The back end of the cylinder is closed and the front end shows you where the cam is sitting. It is important that is the only type of cylinder that we use. When we insert the cylinder back into the lock, we always make sure that the cam is facing to the front of the lock. So there's your cam, return that back up into its housing, we slide that back inside to approximately halfway. We get the retaining screw, we screw the cylinder back in, and that's your job complete. We test it, and that's locked. Key comes out, the handle does not operate, it's unlocked, everything works. So now we have changed the cylinder over and your lock is working again. Well, thank you for watching this very short video on how to change a security door cylinder.